Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to A Penny for Your Future. Today I want to introduce myself. My name is David. I'll be your host for the next 5 to 10 minutes. And I just want to cover a few things about myself. First, I'm not a financial guru. I am just someone who looks up stuff on the internet and studies a little bit and kind of learns a little bit about what's going on. And I try to help people understand a little bit about what's going on. So, my biggest goal with A Penny for Your Future is to help people understand that it only takes one penny to get started in saving money. You have to have that first little penny, then the next day put in 2, the next day 3, the next day 4, etc., etc. So you can earn money, you can save money by just putting a penny aside. So you just have to continue that trend till you hit dollar bills. When you hit dollar bills, you start with $1, then you go to $2 a day, then you go to $3 a day, then you go to $4 a day. I know it's hard in today's economy to do such a saving plan, but if you can do it, your Christmases will be a whole lot better because you will have saved up a couple of $1,000 and you will have some money to spend on Christmas or bills or whatever your necessity is. So my goal is to make sure that everybody gets some good information and ways to passively make income, not just actively making income by putting money in savings, but passively making some income. Passive income is something that you may invest money in to begin with, but then after you've invested the money in it to begin with, you have this slow growing over time that particular investment grows and passively pays you for your investment. So here at A Penny for Your Future, I hope to keep looking at things such as cryptocurrency. Crypto is a real big thing right now in the world. Bitcoin is absolutely out of this world. The last time I looked at it, it was $106,000 plus to buy one Bitcoin. So, you'd have to be a millionaire to buy a Bitcoin, but you can buy parts of Bitcoin. You can buy small chunks of Bitcoin over time and build yourself up. So, you just have to continue buying, your Bitcoins as time goes by. There's a dozen different, there's more coins out there than I can even explain. There's Dogecoin, there's several other coins out there that you can invest in. But the goal here at A Penny for Your Future, of course, is to help you understand some of the financing terms, understand some of the financing requirements or what it takes to invest a certain amount of money. So let's get on with a little bit about me. I was born very poor. I was never handed a silver spoon. I didn't go to a silver spoon academy. I didn't go to a silver spoon college. I went to a little tech center where I learned to repair computers, and that is where my expertise lies. And I did that for about 10 years, and then I realized, well, there's no money in this. So I went out and became a truck driver. I drove trucks for about 3.5 years and had to give it up because of my eyesight. Of course, I wear glasses now. Back then, I didn't wear glasses. I have glaucoma, so there's certain things I'm limited on doing because of my eyes. Now, the goal, getting back to the goal here and explaining a little bit about me, I don't make a lot of money. I'm on Social Security disability because of my eyes and my back and a few other things. So we find ourselves at a certain point where we are trying to figure out how to save money. And I've been trying to figure it out, given the fact that the amount of money I get each month isn't really a drop in the hat to what it takes to finance the house and take care of, the things I need to take care of around the house. I have help from family. If it wasn't for the help from family, we'd be probably on the streets. But we work together as a team, and we take care of things that need to be taken care of. Now, I firmly believe that a penny saved is a penny earned. And I don't know who originally stated that. It's an unknown author, but it is very true. For every penny you save, you've earned that penny. Whether you picked it up off the ground or not, you earned that penny. So for every penny that you can save, you're earning that penny. Put it in the bank. Let it grow. The other thing that I really want to stress is I am going to quote the Bible on something, but I'm going to quote it in a different way than what most people quote it. Okay? Number one, the Bible says that the root of all evil is money. I disagree with that statement. I think that was mistranslated or something, because I believe that the lack of money is the root of all evil, because man will do things that he would not normally do to get money. And it's just, the money leads to evil, because if you have no money, you're willing to do whatever you can do to get your hands on that money. If it's evil, it's evil. If it's good, it's good. So we have to focus on doing a few other things in life to do some things that are right. Now, the goal of this channel, of course, is to help people. I want to help people learn cryptocurrency. I want to help people learn how to invest in smaller penny stocks and things like that. I may even try to invest in some penny stock along with you. I want to try to keep this channel focused on financing and finances, so that maybe I'll be a help to a lot of people. I'm not a financial guru by no means. I wrote a book, and the book is about money. So it's something that I want to give away for free, but in order to give it to you, it's in PDF format. And in order to give it to you, I have to collect your email address. Not on the channel. Don't get this wrong. But if you go through the bio of this video, you'll find a link to getting a copy of the book. The book covers a lot of good stuff. It even covers passive income, such as real estate. That becomes a passive income. And a few other things that can become passive income. So I feel that we as Americans need to start saving money again. The people in the 50s and the 60s, they used to have one member working in the family, and that was all it took. It didn't take two family members working, and sometimes three, or two working two jobs and never home for their kids because of inflation. The only way to change that is to start saving some money up. And if you save enough money up, you can send your kid to college. You can buy a new house. You can do things that you need to do or want to do. So with all of that in mind, I want to share with you that I also have a newsletter that'll come out on the 1st of every month. It's going to cover cryptocurrency. It's not going to cover regular currency. It's going to be all about crypto. I'm going to, go through the month's worth of data and go ahead and create a newsletter, one that maybe will help you in your decision to invest in, say, crypto money. Because if you invest in crypto money, which is up and coming and very strong in the market, you might make a little extra money that you didn't know you could make. You know, you might have enough money sitting there, you know, for $3,000 or $4,000. That might be enough to put down on a car, or enough to put down on a new home. You know, you never know what you'll have, but you have to start somewhere, and starting small with a penny, one little penny, is the beginning steps that you need to take. So I'm going to say this over and over and over again, that a penny earned, a penny saved is a penny earned. And it is very, 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 very important that everybody understand that if you can save a penny, you can save $1. If you can save $1, you can save $5, etc., etc. So we have enough information to create a situation where we save money and we learn to penny pinch on not spending money, because we need to save money. We need to, as Americans, we need to get this country back on track financially. We need to get ourselves financially on track. And the only way to do that is, of course, to save money. If you're working a second job and you don't really need to work the second job, then put 50% of that second job into saving. 401k. Hey, nothing wrong with 401k. Roth, the Roth investment. Nothing wrong with Roth. Some of the other investments that you can do are also as great as Roth and 401k. So you need to understand that, as I said, I'm no financial guru. All of this information is gatherable on the web, and my research, which is done primarily with AI, because it's a lot quicker and a lot easier for me to find the information I'm looking for, will be cited. I'll cite wherever it comes from. AI can give me the citations, and I'll put the citations on underneath the video in the comments section. So you'll be able to read about that and understand that, hey, he got this from here. And if you want to go double check and read what I'm putting up or what I'm saying, then go right ahead. I encourage you to do some of your own research. That's why I want to cite things and put the citations there, so that people can follow the citations and read for themselves and understand that all I'm trying to do is help people save money, help people make money. You know, I mean, there's got to be a million ways you can make money. You can work from home, and if you can't work from home, I'll put a link in there. If you can't find any real work from home jobs, I will put a link in the bio or in the video information down below. That'll take you to a couple of places actually, where you can actually find real work from home jobs, so that you can make money working from home, especially if you have a special needs situation where you need to work from home. So I want to say that if you go ahead and you fill out the form for the book, I'll send you the book. Also, in doing so, at the same time, you'll sign up for my newsletter, which comes out once a month. You can read the newsletter, and also any other offers that I may have, I may send to your email address to reach out and let you know that I'm still thinking about you, hoping that you're doing great with your financial future. Hope that you found a way to make a little extra money, and if you have, I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear that you're on a financial journey. I'd love to know where you are in that journey. I'd love to know what your goal is with your journey. So if you could, if you do, then let me know. And you can, like I said, you can sign up for my newsletter. You can sign up and get my book. And if I release any other books, you'll get a copy of them as well. So, you just have to understand that here at A Penny for Your Future, we're interested in one thing and one thing only: helping you save money and make money. So I want to say thank you for watching this short video today, and thank you for tolerating me. I know that sometimes I can go ramble, but I hope that you will understand that I'm not a guru. I'm not anybody who's, really specializes in money. I'm learning this as I go. We all will learn together as we go. So let's have fun. And again, this is A Penny for Your Future, and you have a wonderful rest of your day.